once. There we go.
As soon as you can pick this up here.
Exactly. Sam will be a little bit bigger, so it will be easier to.
My shoes on today. Can't stick to what?
So we can send some yoga memberships to people if.
I volunteer to teach here. I'm a yoga
Perfect. There.
I'll come during his training and teach.
It's perfect.
Display is going to be
Exactly.
around
So what Alec was showing, so we will have more like the motorbike LED display with showing the data and those things that you actually need.
Learning to fly it. How difficult do you think that will be?
With the final version, it will be easy because it's like a drone. Like go up and down, and then you have the thrust. Like
5 minutes, 8 hours?
I think it's good to start with the like first mode first, and just being comfortable with the control. That is always the things. If you're driving a
6
Tesla,
inches off the ground.
yeah, but if you're driving a Tesla for the first time, it's like auto braking. You're not used to that. You know, you need to find the flow of how to actually operate the controls. But after that,
Did I tell you, I had a dream about a week ago.
yeah.
Excited to come here, right? That you let me hop in and fly it. And all it did was go straight up. Into the atmosphere. And then I woke up.
Yeah?
No, I wasn't. It was pretty scary.
Yeah. You're like shit.
Couldn't control it. All it did was go straight up.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay.
Perfect.
Perfect.